They are known as family annihilation cases, murder-suicides where a partner or parent takes the lives of children and then themselves. Today, the governor signed into law some new obstacles to reduce the chance of that worst possible outcome in domestic violence cases. Joe Dana is joining us live at the Capitol with why this law goes beyond party politics. Joe?
It really does, and what a journey it's been for this surprise mother who helped get this law passed. Rarely, though, do you see a clean sweep. Both parties unanimously voting to send this to the governor.
The issue of domestic violence is what led me into public service.
Bipartisan support for a new law many agree is overdue.
These bills make clear that the safety of the child or children is paramount.
For far too long, child custody decisions have not adequately factored in whether a parent has a history of domestic violence.
The Alec and Lydia Act inspired by tragedy. The goal, what has been lost for one family will prevent losses for others.
While nothing can take away my pain and nothing can bring them back, this law ensures that their light will never go out.
Hope Hooten's two children were murdered by her estranged husband in 2024. The case involves what many say were warning signs unheeded. Brock Mader had been hospitalized for psychiatric issues and suicidal thoughts and had a history of domestic violence. During divorce proceedings, the judge granted Brock 50-50 unsupervised custody. Mader killed their 7-year-old son Alec and 6-year-old daughter Lydia before turning the gun on himself. Now, the children's mother is a child advocate helping to craft this law. It declares child safety is the highest priority in any domestic violence case. It presumes a parent with a domestic violence history does not have legal decision-making authority in custody disputes, and creates stricter standards for that parent to have any time with a child.
The Alec and Lydia Act isn't just words on paper. This is a groundbreaking law that does protect Arizona children and families trapped in painful, dangerous, and dynamic domestic abuse situations.
Intervention during family separations is crucial. Studies show intimate partner violence is a leading cause of death of children. A Penn State study found 3 of 5 gun killings by men in the U.S. involve cases of separation, divorce, or child custody. Experts believe family court is where key decisions can protect more kids.
I can't bring Alec and Lydia back, but I can make sure that other Arizona families and children are safe and that nobody goes through the unimaginable loss of losing children in this way.
Parental rights groups have expressed concerns that laws like these could be unjustly used against particularly dads in custody situations. I talked to one divorce attorney. He said everything about this law in terms of the spirit of it is the right cause. He says it really ultimately comes down to a case-by-case basis and how the judge responds. Joe Dana, 12 News.
Joe, thanks.